Hey, Yoga for Healing Warriors. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. What it do? Let's check in. Prime Creator, protect me with your golden cord of protection. I love you so much, self-existing one. Focus my thoughts and guide my words as I go beyond the veil. Allow me to see clearly. I celebrate the truth shown. I call upon those of the highest light, above, in the middle, and below. Ashe, ashe, ashe. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Spirit guides, archangels, master teachers, fairies, all those that work for the highest light, above, in the middle, and below. Shout out to the birds. They just gave me a shout out. What do we need to know for water signs? Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. A destination that's on the horizon for a privileged lady. It's been a long journey. It's going to be maybe a long trip. Someplace you can anchor in that's colorful. Forward movement. Something national. Maybe traveling nationally. This privileged lady. What do we need to know about this privileged lady and traveling and distance? And a main male of an official person. Something to dealing with court. What else do we need to know about this? Unexpected income. I'm not sure if that should be in reverse. I'm feeling like it should be this way, but we'll leave it like this. What else do we need to know about this privileged lady? That's one to stick out. There we go with the court situation. So, the distant horizon, something global, something that's been, information's been spread, things are seen from a higher perspective, something dealing with this privileged lady and a main male, maybe dealing with police, government, someone of official authority, and some money in a court situation and imprisonment. Started out sounding good, but now it's shifting left. Some changes in health, mental status, physical status is occurring. Something to do with a child in a court situation. A child that's not well, or child that's not belonging to the male. Yeah, it's not his child. This gift that he thought he had is not his. What else do we need to know? What else do we need to know about these cloudy, dark skies that's coming in? Bringing poverty. Dealing with a wealthy man that's dealing with changes right now. A sudden wealth at the bottom. Something to do with their money. They may not be wealthy anymore. It's interesting. What do we need to know about this man in the court court situations and dealing with these officials and a child that's not his. Oh, and this privileged lady. She may not be so privileged. Main female at the bottom. She's the main female, but she's not privileged. What about this destination? This horizon. The destination was to have success in love and to have big luck and become rich and get all pleasant news. What do we need to know about this privileged lady that has love and great fortune coming in her future? This privileged lady can go a lot of different ways. I'm reading it. I'm just going to put it out. What do we need to know about this privileged lady? Privileged lady. What do we need to know about this journey, this long journey, and this love and abundance, this journey that's going to take her even further to become a rich girl? And this main male, what about this main male? He's not a thief, and he's in his thoughts. And this official person, is this the main male that's the official person, or is this police? Whoa. This official person is connected to this rich girl who's not sick. Funeral flipped over. Maybe new beginnings, endings for new beginnings. It's something to do with this income, this unexpected money. What do we need to know? Something you're not expecting. This is something you don't even know about. Something that's not in your mind. You're not even expecting it. Dealing with legal matters. There's the courthouse. Okay, one on this courthouse. What do we need to know about this court situation? A main female appears again. Death and rebirth. Something dealing with a death that's going to cause a rebirth. Doesn't mean physical death. It could be when you go through an awakening, a transformation, like an upgrade, a level up. It's not always death, as in you transition out of here. And this child that's in reverse, it may not belong to this main male. It was about money. And this is making him sad that he's finding out that this was all about income. And that's why they're dealing with legal matters with this woman. Maybe she's trying to get child support for a child that's not his. Something dealing with money that she's not getting. I see a couple of stories intertwined in here, so I'm putting them all out. Whatever comes up, I'll put it out. Make it go where it go. There's pieces. It's general for water signs. This poverty. Give me one card on this poverty. This main male dealing with this small child, or maybe he was immature. This wealthy man. Card on this wealthy man that's dealing with court about his household, his family, a group that he's tight-knit with that's facing changes. This home environment that's facing changes. This environment that's facing changes, a move. Because there was this woman, this mature woman, they probably got advice from, and she was not who they thought, which has brought grief and sorrow. She probably gave bad advice. Because in the upright, she would give good, sound advice. In the reverse, this is a woman you do not want to get information from or about anything, because age does not equivalent to wisdom. And that's why this man is now in grief and sorrow about that situation. So on the distant horizons, the success and love and big luck for this privileged lady, having the knowledge, being aware of tower situations, having the hidden knowledge, this privileged lady was able to continue her journey. And this privileged lady that's continuing her journey to a main male, they will meet. And this main male that's not a thief, this main male did not navigate or still in their south node that wants a commitment. He wanted to be official with this rich girl who is healthy. So he wanted to be connected with this rich girl because of her spirituality and because of the love she has. And this money that she's not aware of that's coming in. This funds that they believe she's not aware of. She's seen all along. Maybe now more people are taking a look closer at this situation in court, which is why this main female is going to have to travel. She's going to have to take a journey to court. Because there was some disloyalty. So she's going to have to take a little trip. There was disloyalty done. Maybe, let me give one on this child and this rich man. This child and rich man. Death. This rich man may have caused an ending to a child. Somebody took a gamble. Something's being eliminated that was done in the dark. That was really complicated. That was done over time by this man who's now facing a big mountain of upheaval and being blocked, being stuck for using children for their gifts, using binding spells to women or making commitments to women with children so that he could test to see if he could take their gifts, using their energy to level up. He's a fucking sneaky ass, devil ass rat that's busted. And I hope YouTube, the FBI, and everybody is seeing this. How this person moved in the name of love. Going after women. Hoping that they were lustful and attracted and wanted their body. That's all come to an end, and it's being seen publicly. All for abundance. Tower. You took the wrong stairway. Everything is being illuminated. All aspects in all realms. The news is circulating because you went against someone you thought was weak, but they were stronger than you thought. You took that sail, that journey, to make yourself look good for clout. You fucking red witches, you devils. All the news is out. I would pull some tarot, but I don't think we need, because this was an Ace of Pentacles. This is the start of a new beginning for all of us. New opportunities. a manifesting our abundance when you're on the right path, not taking this route. And that's final. Stay up, warriors. Peace.